सर कोई ज्वाइन होना चाहता है।
क्लास स्टार्ट करें। क्लास लीव हो गई
यस सर।
मैडम की।
Yes, sir.
ओके। The last class show some results regarding the cut set. Also, I discussed what is the cut set, and also I discussed a theorem. The statement of theorem is that every circuit has an even number of. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. Every circuit has an even number of edges in common with any cut set. Okay. So here the word is cut set. Cut set means it is the set of edges, minimum set of edges. If we remove from the graph, the resulting graph become disconnect, then that set of edges is called a cut set. Okay, if this cut set contains only one edge, that edge is called a branch edge. Clear? I have already told you that. And one more thing is here. Now we will start with new definition, that is the fundamental cut set. What is fundamental cut set? Okay, fundamental fundamental cut set. Here, fundamental cut set. Yes, just started. Sorry. Yes, fundamental cut set. Fundamental cut set. Fundamental cut set. Okay. Other name of this topic is, it is also called the basic. It is also called the basic cut set. Okay. So you know what is the fundamental circuit? So what is the fundamental circuit? Fundamental circuit. Fundamental circuit say that with respect to given spanning tree, okay, with respect to given spanning tree, if we add any code, if we add any code to the spanning tree, then it will create a circuit. That circuit is called a fundamental circuit. Okay, here, so fundamental cut set means it is also a circuit. Sorry, it is a cut set. What is it? Is a cut set. Fundamental cut set. Okay, Okay, it is a cut set, but condition is that in that cut set with respect to given spanning tree, there is only exactly one branch. If there is only one branch, so in the fundamental circuit, there is a one code. There is a one code, but in the fundamental cut set, there is a one branch only. Okay, exactly one branch. If cut set contains exactly one branch, then we can say that cut set is called a fundamental cut set. Okay, I can say that a cut set say S containing exactly one branch. Okay, one branch of a given spanning tree. Of without spanning tree, we cannot define which one is the branch and which one is the code. Okay, so exactly one branch of a given spanning tree. Of a connected graph. Of a connected graph G is called fundamental cut set. I think it is clear from the definition. So I take one example here. Suppose I have a graph. Okay, this is G graph, and it has the vertices V1, V2, V3, and V4. Okay, and suppose I have a spanning tree here. This is T, and this is V1, V2, V3, and V4. So edge of spanning tree will be the branch. So I can write here these are V1, V2, and V3 with respect to this spanning tree, and others is except the branch, they will be the codes. So I can write here in this graph, this is C1 codes and it is C2 codes. Okay. So now with respect to this spanning tree, first of all, I am going to create a fundamental circuit. So I can denote fundamental circuit by gamma like this one. Okay. It is, what is the fundamental circuit? Circuit means it is a set of edge which contain exactly one code. Okay. So in this, with respect to this spanning tree, so I can write here this one. C1 means C2, B2 and B3. Okay, if I add this one, it will be create a circuit. That circuit will be the fundamental circuit. So in this case, you can see that in the fundamental circuit, here is only one codes and others branches. Okay, and these are nothing, these are the set of edge. Clear? Now, if I take the cut set, so what is the cut set in this graph? First of all, we need a cut set. So cut set, I think it is a cut set. Okay, it is a cut set, and this cut set contains the edge B2 and V3. B2 and B3. Clear? So now I am asking, is this cut set is fundamental cut set? Okay, according to the definition of fundamental cut set, it said that a cut set is containing exactly one branch, and you can see that with respect to this spanning tree, this cut set has two branches. B2 and B3. It means that this S is not a fundamental cut set. It is not a basic. Clear? No. It is yes. It is fundamental circuit, but it is not fundamental cut set. We can denote as cut set. Okay. Now I take another set here S1, and we can represent a, I can take a cut set like this way. Okay, this is a again another cut set, and you can see this in this cut set the A's are B1, B2 and C2. Okay, B1, B2 and C2. What's are C2, B1 and B2. Okay, again, is it fundamental cut set? I'm saying it is a cut set. It is cut set, but it is not fundamental cut set. Okay, so is any example of here which is a cut set? Fundamental cut set. Again, I take this one. C1, C2 and B2. I take S2, B2, C1 and C2. It is a cut set. You can see it is cut set. This one, C1, C2 and B2. It is cut set or not? Hello? Are you getting my point? It is cut set. All are, I think they are sleeping or not? I'm not getting your response. Am I audible? So I'm asking, is S2 is a cut set? This one, is it cut set? Is it cut set? Yes, it is cut set. Okay, it is cut set because you can see that if we remove these A's, this A's and this A's will be here, and it after removing these three A's, the graph become disconnect. Okay, so it means that C1, C2 and B2 is make a cut set. Okay, so it means that this is a cut set. Yes, it is a cut set, and it is even not the cut set. In this cut set, you can see here is a one branch with respect to this spanning tree. With respect to this spanning tree, you can see here this is only one branch, and these are codes. And you can see according to definition of a fundamental cut set means cut set. So it means that it is a cut set, and this cut set contains only exactly one branch. So this S2 is also a fundamental cut set. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Same here. You can also take like this way. If you take like this way with respect to this tree, B1, C2, B3, it will make a cut set, fundamental cut set? No, that is, in that case, that is not. Only this one is only fundamental cut set. Okay, this one is only fundamental cut set. Okay, now I have a results. What is the result? Result say that, you know what is the operations between graphs? We can add, we can join, we can suspension, means multiplication, product, also ring sum, okay, union, intersection. These are all the operations between graphs. Okay, now you can use these operations. Okay, now I am taking one operations, that name is ring sum. Okay, and you know what is the ring sum of two graphs? Okay, the ring sum of any two cut set, the ring sum of any two cut sets in a graph G, is either a third cut set. Clear? Means ring sum of two cut set either is a third cut set or an edge disjoint union of cut set. So what is the ring sum of two set graphs? Okay, now I will explain this result with taking an example. Okay, here I am saying that ring sum of any two cut sets. So I can see that here S is a cut set, and again S1 is also a cut set, and S2 is also a cut set. Okay, these are cut set. Okay, but in the S1 and S2, S1 is not fundamental cut set, but S2 is a fundamental cut set, but both are cut set. Okay, now I am taking the ring sum of S1 and S2. S1 ring sum of S2. What is this? What is the definition of a ring sum? Yes, I will obtain a cut set. Okay, either it will be a union of the cut set, and otherwise it is a third cut set. Okay, so just I am asking, what is the ring sum of two graphs? What is the definition of ring sum? What is the definition of ring sum? Ring sum means set of vertices, means you can take the union of both sets. Set of means you can take the union of vertices of both sets, S1 and S2. Okay, and also the edge set will be you will take only those edges which are either in S1 or S2 but not common. Okay, is it clear? So here this vertex set of S1 union of S2 will be S1 and S2. You can here S1. So these are the only branch edges, not the vertices. Okay, so in the S1 what we have taken? S1 is okay, C2 B1 B2, C2 B1 B2 means this one is S1 and this one is S2. Okay, so number of vertices, what is, I think they all 4, because I will take this is okay, this is contains V1 and V4. Okay, and this is also contains V1 and V3, and this is also contain V2 and V3. It means 4 vertices. And also if you take this is contains these vertices, this is contains these vertices, and this is contains these vertices. It means that in the union of vertex means V1 V2, V3 and V4, all the vertices will be the union. Okay, now what is the edge set of S1 and S2? Means you will take those edges which are either in S1 or S2 but not common. So is any edge is common? B1, not B1. B2, here it is the common. This is common and this is common. B2 and B3 is common. B2 and C2. B2 and C2 only. Okay, these are the common edges. Clear? And you can see that this is the C2B2. C2 so this one C2 and B2 means this set of edge, is it cut set or not? I am asking that is this set is cut set or not? Just I am asking, it is cut set or not? No, no cut set. First of all, it is no cut set. C2 and B2. If you take union of these two, now C2 and B2 is cut set? No. It is not a cut set. It is not a cut set. Okay. So first condition is that if you can read the result. Okay. Ring sum of any two cut set in a graph G is is either a third cut set or an edge disjoint cut set. Okay, if it is a cut set, then it either it is a cut set or either it is the union of disjoint union of cut set. Okay, so it is not both. Okay, it is only if condition, not if and only if. No. These are not cut set. These are not cut set. C2 and C3, B3 is not cut set. You are asking means third set means either it will be a cut set or either an edge disjoint cut set. You are asking. Okay. So in this case, it is not a cut set, and also this is not the means in this case. Yes, it is B2 and C2. Okay, so these edges will not make any cut set. Okay, so these edges will not make a cut set here only. Okay, again, in this case, I have taken In this case, you can see it here. Yeah, S1 is a fundamental. It is a cut set only, but no fundamental cut set. In this case, it is cut set as well as fundamental cut set. Okay, cut set as well as fundamental cut set. Okay, suppose take fundamental cut set means C2. Here C2 B1 B3 is B1. So what is the ring sum of this? You will take only those A's which are either in which you will take only those A's which are either in S1 or S or S1. You will not take those, means you will not take common A's. इसमें वेट इसमें हमने कॉमन एज लिया है. वेट. Okay, we will not take the common age. This is the definition of a ring sum. Ring sum say that you will take only those A's which are either in S1 or S2, but not both. So it means we will remove the common A's. So what are the A's here? I think it is a problem. I think. Yes. To understand these results, we have to know about what is the cut set, what is the fundamental cut set, what is the circuit, what is the fundamental cut set, circuit, all other things. Okay, means we need the previous knowledge. We need the previous knowledge to getting new things. Okay, for getting the new things, you have to need previous knowledge, means fundamental of graph theory. Okay, so in this result, we say that results. This is the new result. The result say that with respect to given spanning tree, because without spanning tree, we cannot say about the fundamental cut set and fundamental circuit. Okay. So without spanning tree, we cannot say anything. Clear? Now, what is the result? This result says say that with respect to a given spanning tree a codes, suppose ci, okay, a code that determines a fundamental circuit. Determines a fundamental circuit, suppose gamma, occurs in every fundamental cut set. Occurs in every fundamental cut sets. Associated with the branch in gamma. Gamma means circuit, and in no others. I think result is very long. Okay, without spanning tree we cannot prove these results. Okay, so basically this is a result also. We can say this result say that with respect to given spanning tree, a codes. Also I have discussed that I discussed that suppose we have a fundamental circuit and fundamental, okay, this is a fundamental circuit, this is fundamental circuit, and this one is fundamental cut set, and you can see that fundamental cut set contains one branch, exactly one branch. All are codes, clear? But in the fundamental circuit, you can see that there is only one branch, sorry, one codes, and all are branch. Clear? So this is the statement of, means with respect to given spanning tree, I have taken this spanning tree, a code Ci that determines a fundamental circuit occurs in every fundamental circuit. So you can see that in this a code, you can see that this is the code that determines a fundamental circuit. So it is for fundamental circuit, and it is in C2 is in circuit, C2 in this fundamental circuit, okay, occurs in every fundamental cut set. And what is the fundamental cut set of this? Here, and you can see that this C2 is in S2, occurs in every fundamental, because it is fundamental circuit, occurs in fundamental cut set, okay, associated with the branch, and you can see that. Yes, occurs associated with branch in gamma, जो भी branch है. Okay, here branch B1 and B2. Clear? So it is only the statement of the results, and tomorrow I will change some terms in this results. Means in place of fundamental circuit I will write fundamental cut set, and in place of occurs I will write contained, okay, and the statement will be like this way. With respect to a given spanning tree, a branch, in place of codes we will write branch, a branch Bi that determines a fundamental cut set. In place of fundamental circuit I will write fundamental cut set as is contained in every fundamental cut set. Okay, in this case I will write fundamental circuit. Okay, fundamental cut set as okay, every fundamental cut associated with the codes. In place of branch I will write code. Okay, in S and in no others. Okay, it is another results. Okay, and we will prove this result, means that will be the not a result, we will write a theorem. Okay, that is the theorem and we will prove this theorem. Okay, complicated to prove of this results, means that this result and coming results, coming theorem. Just it tells that with first of all you need the spanning tree. If we have no spanning tree we cannot say nothing. Okay, respect ही हम आगे का means with respect to spanning tree only. Without spanning tree we cannot say nothing. Okay, so according to spanning tree its result vary. Okay, suppose we have different spanning tree. Okay, the results is vary. Okay, means some which A's are in the spanning tree and some A's are codes. Okay, if you take another spanning tree, some A's will become codes and some A's become branch. Okay, so only without spanning tree we cannot say something. Just it is this you consider with given spanning tree the codes. Okay, with respect to given spanning tree a code, and you know what is the meaning of code? Code means those A's which are not branch. Okay, age of spanning tree are branch. That determines, means these codes determines in a fundamental circuit, and you can see it is a fundamental circuit, nothing is always. Okay, if this statement is valid only for the spanning tree and fundamental cut certain circuit only. Okay, if we relax the condition, means if we write the only cut set and circuit, then this result does not hold. Okay, so just you can remember this one, and in the next result, means just you can replace code by branch and fundamental circuit. You can write fundamental cut set. Occurs means contain fundamental cut set. In place of fundamental cut set you can write fundamental circuit associated with branch in place of codes. Okay, just means we can replace on the words only. Okay, so in this result we can say, means cut set means we can provide the relation between the age of fundamental circuit and fundamental cut set. Okay, basically these results give the relation between the age in fundamental circuit and fundamental cut set. Yes. Okay, 1 2